Hey guys, I want to wash my workout mat. Okay, I'm just having using hot water. Then I added laundry soap. Okay, I'm just going to allow the water to be filled up. Soak it up for about 30 minutes before I wash it. Okay, I just have to flip it around. Okay. All right. It's been 30 minutes. Time to shower. Okay. Go take my brush. It's all clean again, and I'm about to start my workouts. Yeah, after I finished drying it on the sun a little bit, I allowed the water to drain. Then I went ahead and pop it inside the dryer. All dried. This is the next day, right? It's time to work out with my clean mat. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share. Bye.